In this video we're going to show you how to remove the monitor for the navigation on Lexus 2013 CT200, which is similar to the other years. We already made everything loose, so this is just for the demo. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool, a small flat screwdriver and a small Phillips screwdriver. At the first step, you pop out the air conditioning vent, and then you disconnect the connector behind it. And the next one, you pop out the bezel around the monitor. To pop up the bezel around the monitor, there are two clips that you need to push it in order to release the bezel. Otherwise it will be hard to come out. There are one on the passenger side and the one on the driver's side. There's two of them. It is already loose. Once I get it out, I'll show you the clips. You just push those clips inward and then you pop the bezel. Otherwise the bezel might break when you try to force it out. There we go. And these are the two clips that I was talking about, which you have to push it with the flat screwdriver. Yeah, here you go. You push it, yeah, and then you can pop the bezel. And that's the only tricky part about get the bezel out. And the next thing you do, there are 6 screws on this horizontal plate. You get those 6 screws out. First you take the cover off, which is a rectangular cover, and then you can see the 6 screws. The 2 big one and the 4 small one. You get all the 6 of them out. And then the next thing you do, there are 2 more vertical screws. One on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. You get those 2 screws out, and then you can slide out the panel underneath the monitor. First you pop it up so it gets released, and then you can, and here you go. Now you lift up this mounting bracket for the monitor, lift it up, and then you pull the monitor forward. And here you go, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the monitor, you can send it to High-Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.